beats. Gives props back to reggae, to dancehall.
Do they?
I wanna lose my destiny. Yeah. Welcome to the social media countdown burritos. It's a Wednesday. Yeah, Buju, sing for them. Destiny, mama, look from where you're calling. All right, yeah, man. Hey, I wanna rule my destiny. Hey. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another Wednesday social media countdown. Now, on Wednesdays, it's not a top 10. We'll give you no top 5, but today, I feel so we deserve an extra one, so I'm going to give you a not a brata. Jesus Christ, the last time somebody talked about brata, they'll be getting a problem. Bury your mouth. Anyway, so today we're giving you guys a top 6 countdown, and it's everything from Cartel to Tavi and Tash to Jaii Frais and Ton Travels. Stick around because you do not want to miss it. So let's get ready for today's countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 6, Convict Care. Miss Uncles. Alright, burritos know. So this video comes courtesy from the, what you call it them? The people that went in a jail. The cartel, Vibes Cartel, and his co-accused. That is Sean, what calls it? My go say Sean Kingston, you know. Sean Stam. And Mad Sauce, okay? So they're out now and they've been mingling with their family and loved ones and basically doing an entire rebranding. It's a whole daddy daycare agwan. And what got many people talking is when each of them decided to play along with this very viral trend with their offsprings. Take a look. Now, up first, I'm gonna show Mad Sauce. That's what he did, okay? Love the bonding there. And then up next is Sean Stam. Oh, God. And of course, finally, we have the world boss, Vibes Cartel, and his daughter. Jesus Christ, I forget the girl name. You have a Vibes Cartel fan, you know, you're supposed to know what the daughter name him do the video with. Adiwa? You're in a sound confident seat there right now, and it's a Vibes Cartel fan list, you know, in the room and don't know. Anyway, burritos, watch the video and leave a comment down below what the girl name. I'm very much here for all of this. Like, I don't know if this is a planting to really help with their rebranding and make people forget to them in a jail for what them they accused for initially. But I am very much here for it because at the end of the day, the kids are the ones who missed out. I'm sure they're very much enjoying these moments with their dad. All right, and burritos, just comment where the daughter name, Vibes Cartel daughter name, because the Gaza fan here, yeah man, I'm not for take with him cat. threat. Me. Whoa! Alright, burritos know. So I was minding my business when I saw this video appear on social media, and it got me quite taken aback. I was quite flabbergasted. So this young man posted a video taking aim at the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness. Me not gonna play out everything in the back of me no know where I'm going and me no want nothing come, hey. Because me not really serve, you get me some, you go just, But this is a bit of what this young man said about the Prime Minister.
Wellness. You think you can stop mass killing? Everybody not turn and go dead by next week. Or you or your wife next.
Oh wow. Oh no. Yeah man, we can play Egyptian? Yeah man, serious times. Yeah man. No, boy. Yeah man, serious times. No, wrong key. These are some serious times. All I can see around us is just violence and crime. Full time for us to centralize, localize, decolonial. And realize. Make the judge fall himself every day. I make the peace shine through the peaceful night. Them say 7 times rise and 7 times fall, but I don't wanna be on falling things at all. Anyway, the fact of the matter, we know say serious times. That's the focus right now. Okay? And so in a matter of like 48 hours or less, the JCF has, taken aim at this man and say, yo, we are gonna get him. And we have little sources, and yeah, man, this can't just go on. So, take a look.
We have identified the individual. It's somebody who has been on our radar before, and efforts are now being made to take him into custody. The investigation is well advanced.
All right, JCF, all right. Oh, okay, that's what you call PM badness, bro. God badness. Okay, but yeah, man, that was pretty wild, that was pretty wild. And so it seems that we've been having more of these moments recently. And it made me very fearful because I wonder if we'll get to a place where Haiti's at, especially seeing the massacre that took place some days ago in Clarendon. Just completely tragic and sad, and I wouldn't want Jamaica to get to that extent. But burritos, let me know what you think of this matter. Sound off below. Number 4, Jaii Frais versus Ton Travels. Me influencers. Jam, should I save the one for the next topic, but anyway, influencers anyway. Alright, burritos, no. So the Let's Be Honest podcast host Jaii Frais took aim at Social House winner Ton Travels recently after a video on her close friends got leaked. No, if you now wonder, what video it was, take a look.
Jaii Frais, you're a bitch! You're a bitch!
Oh, okay, so we're just going to hold it up right there. So that was the video. And Ton Travels looked like she was having a vulnerable moment. Me no know if I've ever been so vulnerable online, but yeah, man, she was having a moment. And she posted this to her close friends. Now, for the people them who might not know what is a close friends, by Instagram, you have one little things where, you post to the general public, but for in your intimate circle, where you might, so on your page, say you work at Juicy Beef, right? And you work at Juicy Beef, okay? And then you're complete, like one of your boss, like one of your boss or your co-worker, you wouldn't put that on the public page, but you see on your close friends, you might tell your friend them say, I can't stand nasty stinking Sharon. Every day she text say for me and I want to give me promotion. You would have put that on your close friends. And these people you're supposed to can, trust and hold up right so with certain information. Right? So anyway, so Ton Travels vented like that in our close friends, and it looked like somebody out of the close friends go leak the video and go send it to Jaii Frais, making Jaii Frais know Ton Travels I call him a biatch. So Jaii Frais never did just take this, so because this man knows social media and him gonna have a moment if he can. So Jaii Frais now just take the video now and post up a film Instagram story which was public, and then put a little jingle at the end which was talking about the Ministry of Health and that she need to get some Yeah, man, go work on our mental right here. So that's what Jaii Frais put. So watch the rest of the video, yeah, so.
Jaii Frais, you're a bitch. You're a bitch. Jaii Frais, you're a bitch. You're a bitch.
Oh, wow. Yeah, man. Jaii Frais. Jaii Frais. Jaii Frais, I meant to come down whole lately, you know, man. Jaja, that youth. Boy, I guess that's why the show name Let's Be On It and Taxi Talk, because I know if we combine the two, right? And so, since then, now, Ton Travels has been kind of laying low, but she kind of touched on the situation when she posted this video talking about mental health. Watch.
Guys, so one of my followers just brought this to my attention and I really want to address it. Fun and jokes aside, drama aside, beef aside, making a joke out of mental health is not funny in any way or form. Mental health is a serious issue and this is not something we should be joking about on the internet. Especially in a country that does not take mental health seriously. It really just isn't a joke. And so I want to take a moment and I just want to separate. Like, I don't care if you guys are looking for beef because I personally am not going to talk about any beef. I have no beef with anybody on this island. But what I will say is making fun of someone's mental health, making it seem like having certain reactions to certain things, playing it off like it's a mental health issue, laughing about people being medicated or needing medication really just adds to the stigma that makes our island not take mental health seriously. And the reason that our country is the way that it is today is because we don't take care of our mental health. We don't take into consideration how our actions affect other people's mental health, why certain people are reacting certain way. And while I'm just the type of person that that's how I express myself, I just like to scream. There are people that are going through serious mental health issues and are afraid to seek help, are afraid to seek refuge, are afraid to talk to anybody or, step out of their comfort zones and figure out what's going on with their own minds, how to make themselves feel better. Because we have people with such huge platforms making a joke out of mental health. And I do not want to be a part of that in any form or manner. Mental health is a serious concern, especially in Jamaica.
I mean, yeah. But me kind of fast now, because I want to know why you're calling Jaii Frais a biatch. Like, what could happen so, that you're just a Lego, your emotions like that are in your close friends. And right now, you need to take out everybody with your close friends, because clearly there is a Judas in there. Now, if I know how Jaii Frais, tends to do him thing, this could also be an upcoming episode of Toxic Talk, let's be honest. Because you don't know how Jaii Frais work, this could also be some way how the next podcast you also say Ton Travels name in at the headline and they're going to address the situation there. Or we don't know how it work as well. The two of them could all start one show together right now. You know the Jaii Frais way. So, Burritos, just let me know what you think of this situation. Sound off. Number 3, close friends scam. Now, Burritos, we just talk about some influencers who were at it. I know me have to touch a bit on the Atash versus Tavian. So if you don't know about the situation, I'm going to run through it very quickly. All right, so you have Tavian and you have Tash, right? Tavian, she has skill being baby mother, so people know her and associate her with that. I want to girl influencer, kind of like how you have the chances of the world and the TCs, etc., right? And so then you have what is her former friend whose name is Atash. I hope me I get to know Tash Fierce. Yeah, man. Tash now, she is a same type of girl, same influencer, get influencer, show off clothes and these things. They were friends, they are no longer friends. And Tavian got upset with Tash because she said Tash should have followed her style and mimic her and want to be her all of these things. And so Tash defended herself and said, boy, I not follow you, I don't even want your life. Why would I even want to be like you and tell her some little things? Check out piece of that video, yeah.
Yeah. I blocked Such B. I'm even not call her name. I blocked Such B since March. And since then, I don't know anything this girl posts on her page. Yes, now and then people will send me screenshots of her stories subbing me, or they think she's subbing me. I have no idea. Because why would you be out here subbing me? When I care what she posts, I don't know what she posts, nothing. If something even come up on my page pertaining to her, I block it. Her business page will come up. When people reshare it, blocked. If other people are coming on my things, blocked. I block everything. When people send me things in my DM, blocked. Like people keep on sending me things, say, oh, she's subbing you, you know, answer, this and that. I don't care about anything, and I think she should know better than that.
Anyway, me not chat about that. Me I talk about the fact that why are they posting in their close friends, and each time them posting their close friends, it leak and reach on the pages like Main Danger, Pink Wall, Quest Times, it just they all over. What is going on? Like nobody not afraid of them can trust? Or are they adding mix-up people to the close friends? because they want the information get leaked because you know sometimes I saw you saw the people that work even smarter, you know. I saw the person work smarter, so they know so the person you love chat. So me go purposefully just set the trap for them so that the information can leak. You can imagine? So that me I wonder because, yeah man, una parade all of them people and girls man walk around and laugh and none of them can be trusted. Not one. Every single thing in a close friend just leak out so since the drama, yeah. Fire all of your friends them. Fire all of them and start from scratch. And so let's look at some of the examples then. We didn't even have a chat about them. Let's look at the examples then. So Tash post them and get leaked. You get me having the ops in your close friends. And then you have Tavian over here. So the same thing I go on. WhatsApp messages, everything I get leaked out of close friends. I don't know what to say about this. Like, just careful of the friends that you have because clearly one of the things that one of the friends them close when really one just social distances. You get me? That's all I do. Not social distance. No, nothing close about it. Keep your friends them nearby. That's all. Number 2, Buju versus Afrobeats. Me, Gargamel. Alright now, so Buju Banton, the Gargamel himself, was recently on an episode of Drink Champs. Yes, man, that's on Revolt TV. Big platform and all of these things. I was quite surprised to see Buju Banton there because you don't really see him do long sit-down interviews like this quite very often. Zine. And so while, you know, sharing and discussing, he was very animated himself, you know, showing off his personality. But this bit got viral and got some people quite upset when he said this about Afrobeats music. Take a listen.
Beats gives props back to reggae, to dancehall.
Do they?
I thought I heard you say that.
I don't think they did. No, I never said that. I said they don't props back to dancehall and reggae.
Oh, my bad. I heard it wrong.
Now you really dyslexic.
Yeah. My bad. I thought I heard it the other way around. But then I heard you say, because I heard you say Afrobeats. I thought I heard you say that. The Afrobeats, like, you know, pay
The
homage.
greatest musician out of Africa was Fela Kuti.
Yeah.
Fela Kuti. Lucky Dube from South Africa. We had Salif Keita. We have Youssou N'Dour. We have Baba Mal. Now, no one wanted to go beyond the pale of what those brothers was doing. I went to Africa in 1991 and I spent like 3 weeks constantly at the universities under baobab trees.
In Kenya? That's
educating all over the continent about reggae music and dancehall. But I was happy when they came to their senses to realize that music is the bridge that's going to connect us. But what I was disappointed in, they didn't try to connect with Jamaica the Roots. They connect with everyone else except us.
And you talking about Afrobeats?
Yes.
Okay, continue. Sorry.
So they connected with everyone else except us. But when we look at what they're doing, their music is not free in Africa. It's
I didn't know what to
the
say.
music needs to free Africa. If I am all the way in Jamaica and my country and my people fight for free, you're a continent with word, sound and power. And you have the ability now and all you're singing is fuckery. You don't sing a song to free Africa all now. Well, they them bringing this to the forefront of your mind, but we desire more from them. You want the money? Go get it. But what's going to be said about you later on and your posterity? You didn't make any impact. So, reggae music still stands predominant. It is still the king's music.
Yes. I can't.
Reggae music.
Right.
Listen, a lot of culture vultures out there. We have sat and we have watched reggaeton taking reggae
I was
music.
going there. I was going there. Especially with Afrobeats and then
It's our music so hard and stolen our culture. I'm not knocking nobody, but you don't give us no respect, mother.
Right.
And you still expect us
Right.
to kowtow and act like we take something from you? This is the king's music. Your music shall come and it shall go because it has nothing to do with soul. It has nothing to do with building energy. Our music is time marker. You can remember when you went on your first date, when you had your first sex, when you marry your wife, when you go to the first dance. It's time marker because it's the king's music.
Yes.
You can remember when you're happy. You can remember when you're sad.
Yeah, right. You know, when I was watching, I hear him say this, and I said, Jesus, some people are going to get very vexed. He basically say, Afrobeats that have no meaning in it, have no real substance to it. It just very blah, blah, blah. And he believes that as African people, with especially all of the turmoil and all of the history and what is going on, they really should have a music that really speaks to the masses in a more meaningful way, have more impact, right? And so people never like that, so many people jumped on social media and I'd say, oh, you're not saying about dancehall. Oh, you're not talking about dancehall and some of the music they use, sing, or glorify all kind of other things. Where's the upliftment there? No, to be honest, he did state in the Drink Champs interview, he did make that demarcation. Wait. Wait, one word goes say, sometimes I look for a word reaching in your brain. Alexa, what does demarcation mean?
Demarcation is usually defined as the determining and marking off of the boundaries of something. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for demarcation.
Alexa, stop. Boy, Father God. Me know me intelligence put on a one part in a one vault, man. Sometimes I don't remember it, but it just came to me a while ago. Anyway, so Buju Banton did make that demarcation, and he did speak about reggae and draw the line where dancehall starts, right? And so in this sense, dancehall is really for the sexual side and the, that man and woman type of embrace and stuff, and reggae is what really speaks to the soul. But I think it made a difference to the people who upset that he spoke about their music. So Burritos, I'd love to hear, do you think that there's any truth to what Buju Banton shared? Sound off below. And number one goes to... No more money for Kitty! Woo! Alright, wow, this is kind of a very interesting title, given, well... Anyway, burritos, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to No More Money for Kitty. Alright, burritos, so I don't know, maybe Una still live on that rap because I'm here to take out off the rap, okay? Right? So there is a new viral trend called Give Me My Money, where groups of people gather around and they are to say, give me my money. And afterwards, their friends are supposed to, cheer for them. But one person will not be cheered for, and they are not in on what is taking place. So typically, this is how it goes.
Just give me my money. Hey! Just give me my money. Hey! Just give me my money.
Give me my money. Give me my dinero. Give me my... Oh, you said money in French. Give me my money. Give me my kariyaga hoshi. Give me my... All right, buried. Yeah, always just go OD. All right? Okay, anyway. Can you imagine what Jada Kingdom say? You know what Jaden say? Give me my... Poo. Give me my poo. Finish it now? Give me my poo. Okay, see them. Just see if you didn't know, say I said I finish. Anyway. Alright. Oh whoa. No, so not scratch me, jeez. No, maybe I try to buy another. Anyway, count down people, we're watching this together, okay? It's awkward, but we know in a long time, no? Oh God, sometimes you just feel a little itch when you hear it go back. All right. Oh, anyway, thank you for sticking around, okay? All right, so that's the trend. You're supposed to give me my money. So now this trend made its way to CVM, Sunrise show, where they decided to prank Miss Kitty. Take a look at how it went.
Just give me my money. Just give me my money.
Just give me my money. Just give me my money. Dinero, my money. I think you understand. Eh?
trend. I could do it again.
Let's try it.
What?
And so you can do it. Do it in one of the language that you learn.
Yeah, let me do it this time.
That's how about the social media, you know.
Sometimes everybody understands.
There's something like a 5-year-old picnic.
But yeah, what maybe I come up.
Let's try again.
She got to be with her friend then.
Alright.
Try it again.
Just give me my money. Just give me my money.
Just give me my money.
Just give me my money.
She's still nah, get it.
This is the queen now. You girl, you're gonna. I'm not. This is not funny. This is not funny. Yeah, this is not demure. This is not demure.
You know, this is why I love trends like this. Like, it's not too much, too careless, too rare. It's just a nice amount of like poking fun and getting someone's genuine reaction. I quite like this trend, but I feel like if we try pan about it now, everybody don't know it because the video them might go so viral. So if you see somebody post out no more video after this, you know, so them already them act right now because people know about the challenge now. Unless you ask your grandmother and your grandfather and people who never yet see social media before. Okay, Burritos, let me know what you thought of Kitty's reaction. Well, that's it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. Make sure to say you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Subscribe, Burritos, okay? Once you have done that, follow me on all my platforms at TheDuttyBerryShow, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.